A conditional format that we can use in any range of values is, for example, also that of color scales. Color scales, we have some here pre-defined, and simply by positioning ourselves above we can see what their effect is. Their effect is that with 2 or 3 or 1 color, like this one, greens, or by mixing different colors, reds, etc., what it does, it highlights with greater color intensity the background of those cells that have a higher value. As in other occasions, if we select any one of them and then, for example, we change a particular grade, for example this 5, what we have to see is that this format is a conditional format which depends on the present value of the cell, of this 4.57. In such a way that if put here a higher grade, when I enter it, it will calculate the average, it will apply the new qualification of pass, and also, it will calculate the new color intensity. This can be interesting in order to, at a given time, to highlight or have a visual image of how they are evolving, how a set of values is scattered or distributed. Inside the conditional formats, we have a number of predefined formats, but we can also make our own additional formats. We can create our own rules. In fact, all of these options have many possibilities in such a way that I can create it virtually to my liking. Apply the format solely to the cells that have no value or superior, or scale of more than 2 colors. What is the type of color that I want to apply, etc., etc. We have many possibilities, but to familiarize ourselves with it, it is most normal to use one of the values that Excel has predefined, which on many occasions will give us an indication or will highlight the aspects that we want in our data table.